Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Chilli Parotta. This is a very delicious breakfast recipe that you can enjoy in any time of your day. This is very easy and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. To this add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 green chilli chopped and few curry leaves. Give it a quick mix. Then to this add 1 onion cut into wedges, 1 capsicum cut into wedges and 1 tomato de-seeded and cut into wedges. Mix well for a minute until the onions are transparent. Now to this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Then to this add 2 teaspoon of tomato ketchup and a teaspoon of red chilli sauce. Mix it well. Keep ready 2 parottas cut into chunks like this. Add it to the masala. I've already made a video on how to make parotta. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Mix it well and make sure the masala is well spread. Now to this add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it well. Finally sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and off the flame. Now a delicious chilli parotta is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some ketchup or with raita and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and an instant recipe. So do try this chilli parotta recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.